Hi, my name is Tesia Bobrowski and I'm going to tell you why you should go viral or go home. So what is a virus? Viruses in terms of biology are submicroscopic infective agents typically made of a protein coat surrounding a core genetic material and are capable of growth and multiplication only in living cells where they can cause various important diseases. Every virus has a specific host cell and host. This is because viruses have specific receptors on their capsids or viral envelopes that match with certain receptors on the outside of their host cell, like a key in a lock. Once a viral key has fit with a cellular lock, the viral genetic material either is integrated into the host genome, which can cause issues, gets chopped up by the cell, or it will hijack the cell's machinery or organelles to produce new viruses using the genetic material that it inserted into the cell. When the viral proteins have been assembled into new viruses, the cell will lyse or explode and release all the new virions. One of the most studied types of viruses are bacteriophage, which literally means bacteria devourer. As implied from the name, bacteriophage, also called phage for short, only infects certain bacterial cells. Because they typically target only one specific strain of bacteria, these viruses have been used for centuries to treat bacterial infections in the former USSR. This is called phage therapy. Unlike antibiotics, phage will not kill bacteria other than the one being targeted, so the good bacteria in your gut and elsewhere will not be killed off. Phage therapy is remarkably efficient with an 80 to 95% success rate in certain cases according to the NCBI, and is growing more advanced by the minute as Western countries begin to take an interest in it due to the increase in antibiotic-resistant strains of pathogenic bacteria. Other viruses, once again due to their uncanny specificity, are being engineered to fight things such as cancer and other illnesses using gene therapy. This is really important because typical cancer treatments such as chemotherapy and radiation, which kill fast-growing cells, both cancerous and not, can actually result in somatic mutations which give patients other types of cancer later in life. Some companies are engineering viruses to target cancer cells, but also to promote an immune system stimulant that calls in immune cells to help kill the cancer as well, as with Amgen's T-VEC. Viruses are also the typical means of introducing new genes or corrected genes into mammalian cells through a process called transduction. Viral vectors are the means by which modern gene therapy operates. Somewhat simple diseases such as hemophilia involving only one gene are relatively easy to treat using gene therapy, as they involve only one copy of a good version of a gene to be inserted into the genome. However, more needs to be known about the etiology of complex diseases and the mechanisms of viral transduction in order for viral vectors to be applicable for more complex diseases like schizophrenia. There are many other applications of viruses out there and many left to be discovered. A variety of potentially life-saving techniques depends solely upon what we know about from studying viruses. In conclusion, our society has to go viral or go home in order to combat antibiotic resistance and other major health issues facing our world. Thank you for watching.